In today's video, we're going to set up a AI chatbot directly onto a website to help your business grow without you being there 24/7. We're going to use the Go Highlevel platform. It's going to take max 5 minutes. They've recently introduced a new feature built into it, so you don't need to use Zapier anymore. It is now much easier to integrate into different workflows and automations, helping you to get assisted by AI. So let's have a look at how this will look itself. Okay, so let's have a look to see how the magic will happen. Someone sent a message in with a chatbot, and we'll see my phone pop up here as well. We get a message back in from the chatbot saying, great, we're looking to book a call in. I'll click on the link. That will lead directly into one of the calendar lead forms that we have built in with Go Highlevel. We'll then select a date, a time, select a time, and this will register, dragging ourselves into a meeting straight away. So we didn't have to interact with this at all. The customer was able to take over and schedule in a booking appointment fully automated without any interference. Now, it's not a perfect system. There are some tweaks and bugs that do happen, and we're going to have a look at some of those during this quick video, helping you understand exactly how to do it step by step and what downfalls that you may find on the way. Let's jump in. We are currently running an offer on this, so if you wanted one of these AI chatbots built in for your website in a few minutes, you can sign up directly with us for €27 per month. If you look at any other Go Highlevel agencies, you'll find that it's usually €100 starting point for this, but Go Highlevel have just changed the game, that they have now introduced their automated system to allow clients to sign up while allowing agencies like myself reduce our prices, which was never possible before. So if you're an agency, click the link down below, sign up to Go Highlevel with a nice trial. If you are a business owner, come over to our website, click the link and get started with ourselves, and you can start from €27 per month. Or if you want to go directly to Go Highlevel, do the same thing, use the link down below, get yourself started off with a nice trial. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to go back to the agency view. Just take 1 second. If you are an agency, go to settings, and you'll need to activate AI workflow and AI conversations. So you'll see on the left hand side, workflow AI. You want to open this and tick the box for all of your different areas. Content AI, same thing. You want to activate it to make sure that your businesses are able to be activated to use this feature. So let's jump into our own account. We'll go to Glassful Media sub account. On the bottom left, we have conversation AI, same thing. Go with this. Conversation AI. If you want, you can have conversation AI, which will take over even further. We aren't using this ourselves at the moment. I will make a follow-up video talking about conversation AI, where you can have this on suggestive, where you get some support, or it goes fully on automation. Now there's bot training and this configuration that needs to be done there. So we're not doing that in the video. We are simply setting up the website AI chatbot in 5 minutes. So what we'll do is we want to go down to automations on the left hand side of our menu. We are going to go and create a new workflow, or go into a current workflow that you already have. Start from scratch. We're going to set this up as customer replied as the trigger. So anytime a customer replies to us from any of the channels that we have, we are going to respond to them. The one thing that you need to be careful of here is some of your channels, for example, Facebook Messenger is going to be an SMS message, while if you are dealing with email, so you need to make sure that you are providing an automated response or allowing ChatGPT to respond to this directly through email or through SMS or to your chatbots. So what we'll do is, as always, we assign a user, John. We're going to add a tag, ChatGPT and web chatbot. You can create them as you go. Save action. Now we are going to search for chat, and we see one of the actions here is simply ChatGPT. It is built directly into Go Highlevel now, which will help us to give our information This is super easy to help us improve our communication with our customers, making sure that we can get back to them faster and help answer their questions. So what we want to do is we want to insert a prompt in here. I'll get one that I wrote earlier. So what this prompt is doing is this is going to tell ChatGPT how we want to respond to people. So we know that people are going to get to this location from first sending us a message. And what we're going to do is we want to prime it to tell it what kind of response that we want to do. So I'll paste this in from the last one. So we say, hello there, my name is username and I work for Glass One Media. Here's our website address and my phone number. So if they do ask for our website address or phone number, it's already primed with that information. We want to respond with direct, friendly, short messages under 50 words for each message if possible. So what you'll find is ChatGPT will like to write long essays. We don't want the messages to repeat. We don't want them to be really long because then your SMS messages are going to be far too many, which will end up costing you a lot of money if you are messaging hundreds or thousands of leads or customers. So we're in the business of making your business better. We offer a one-stop solution for sales and marketing, so you don't have to juggle expensive tools. So this is where you want to put in all of your business information about what you do. We help generate leads, automate tasks, save hours for you each week. If you don't want to set it up yourself, we also offer a service so you can get in touch with our team. And the goal here is to get the potential customer to understand the business challenges and to tell them about our services. So if they're interested in website design, paid ad management, SEO, social media, automation, growth services, we have them covered. And the aim of the chat that we're putting in here is to get them to book a strategy call with us. So we've put in the URL for that strategy call, which we saw in the start of this video where I showed you the automated response that was sent to me. It sent me directly to the booking page and let me book in within a click or two. So if we have a cold lead coming into us at 2 a.m. or on a Saturday, or if I'm dealing with another customer, we're able to respond to them. Most people do come in with straightforward questions, and you can start splitting this up, adding A/B tests throughout this. If you want to have a chatbot specifically for Facebook Messenger, instead of having a workflow for a response for a customer, you would simply put in your trigger as your customer response. So you go customer replied. We'd add a filter. We would go in here and we say reply channel, and we select the channel that we want. So if you want this to be specific for one of your channels, not for all customer responses, this is how you do it. So we'd come in here, customer replied, select the reply channel. We can change this for any of them. If we leave it blank, it's just going to allow people to respond directly to us for everything. Okay. So in our website chatbot, we ask people for a phone number. So what we're going to do is we are going to respond to people with a message here. So we're going to go to the messages section, click on custom values. We'll go all the way to the bottom where it says ChatGPT, and it will use the response number 1 that was created. So you'll see just above in the middle of your screen that it says number 1, send a prompt to ChatGPT AI to get a response. And now the message that is sent via SMS to the lead is related to that response prompt that we have just created. Now, I do recommend tweaking this. As soon as this is set up, we want to publish, hit save, and that is the chatbot set up. You'll see temperature. Temperature is between 0 and 1. If it's 0.1, it's going to be more official, while if you go to 0.9, it's going to be much more creative. It may give funny, sarcastic answers. And that's what you can include in your prompt as well, which is telling ChatGPT to, you can be funny, you can be humorous, make a joke, so it understands how you want to respond to people. A nice new extra feature that is now in the platform is up the top right hand side, you're able to see the previously saved versions that you had created to see the changes that have happened since you made those updates. Now, the issues that I had when I was originally setting this up is I was giving too many instructions to ChatGPT. You need to be very direct and with one goal that is included within the prompt that you are creating for this message. So at the time I had said, The goal is to set up someone with a booking an appointment, while there's a secondary goal, which if they ask for more information, here's additional resources. And the messages that I was getting back, I'll show you now. In the middle of the screen here, we see the conversation between myself, which are the grey messages, and the blue messages are ChatGPT responding to us. ChatGPT was responding with a question, which wasn't helping with the answer. So if in those prompts that I had created, I'd given multiple goals to ChatGPT, but it was making ChatGPT ask questions. So this question was, would you like more information about our website services? I said yes. Thanks for reaching out to us. Let's schedule a call. To discuss further. I respond yes. ChatGPT says, would you like to book a call with us? If not, so it's asking the same looping questions. So again, just by giving it multiple objectives for this AI chatbot, we are confusing it, and it's then not doing a perfect job in having a conversation with the person. And I'd also included, as I mentioned, multiple goals. So we have a blog, we recommend tools, we have educational videos on YouTube, and we offer a 28-day SaaS trial. Let us know how we can assist you further, which the customer had actually just said, yeah, I want to book a call in. When? That's all they said. And then I said, yeah, I want a call. And you can see the limitation here. Now we will see in the very next video how this improves when we activate conversational AI. And that's it. That's our video for today, showing you how to set up a AI chatbot on your website within a few minutes for a pretty low cost. And if you want to go directly to the business, you know where to go. Check the link down in the description. See you in the next video where we tackle more AI services using Go High Level.